Hao Jie, you see. I cut my hand.
Funny. Funny?
No funny?
Funny?
I think quite funny. Today I'm very excited to show you all how to make use of your pantry leftovers to make fried rice. Okay, I go and see what I have. Don't shoot inside, Don't shoot inside the fridge. No! Today I'm making a dish where I tried a while back in Penang, but I totally forgot about it until my buddy Zermatt ate like 6-7 kilos of it, and that is Chun Ling Egg. So for fried rice, as usual, stir fry and make sure it's separated. Oh, really smell damn good, Carrot, orange cake. Wow, siang ah. Okay, fried rice is done. Now, let's talk about the egg. Chun Ling Egg. How do you know the story of the Chun Ling Egg? So actually, right? Chun Ling Egg can only be found in Penang. So it was created in a secondary school called Chun Ling in the canteen to actually make the students eat faster. That's why the egg is a bit softer, it's a bit more watery, because they wanted the kids to eat faster and then go study. Actually, that's quite sad also. But okay lah, looks still quite nice lah. Inside the Chun Ling Egg, there is fish sauce, water, chicken powder, white pepper, and eggs. And the most important thing is not beating the eggs. You want the egg white and egg yolk to be slightly separated, and then when you put it in the pan, then you just slightly scramble it. Intentional stroke.